Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Clayton. Out of all my years of watching YouTube, there's one video in particular that has caught my attention. A video that was uploaded in May of 2015 and released with no context at all. A video that has captivated the internet and has even made the rounds on live television. Tonight, I'm going to debunk strange sound while mushroom hunting. In 2015, a YouTube channel had inexplicably uploaded a mysterious video of a creature howling and screaming at a man while mushroom hunting in the woods. That video now sits at just under 3 million views and was shown on cable television on the History Channel.
Well, there's certainly no shortage of the pheasant-back mushrooms out here. You can see here's one, and then one over here. They look really nice. And then just looking around here in the distance, that tree has a bunch, and then this log over here has a bunch. And this one looks like it has a bite out of it. And this one. And there's one over here. Looks like it's holding some water. Huh? I think it's time to go.
Originally uploaded on May 9th, 2015, the video Strange Sound While Mushroom Hunting was uploaded by the YouTube channel Tomorrow's Garden, a channel that mainly focused on product reviews and agricultural videos similar to that. The sound, of course, is a mysterious scream/howl that's very blood-curdling and scary. Of course, the video was uploaded with absolutely no context at all, and it went viral shortly afterward, with it being re-uploaded on TikTok and YouTube not too long afterward, eventually making its way on cable television with the TV show The Proof Is Out There, hosted by Tony Harris.
May 2015, a local horticulturalist is recording himself during a routine mushroom hunt in the woods of northern Illinois. The footage, shot from his perspective, shows him calmly narrating as he walks through the forest, pointing his camera at various mushrooms scattered on trees and logs.
And this one looks like it has a bite out of it.
After pointing out what looks like a half-eaten mushroom, the man is startled by a strange and scary sound seemingly coming from nearby.
Huh?
It's a long drawn-out howl that lasts about 9 seconds and certainly sounds like an animal of some kind. The mushroom hunter pans his camera back and forth to see if he can spot anything, and sees nothing.
In Season 2 of the History Channel series, a soundscape ecologist by the name of Ben Gottsman is enlisted to try and debunk the video using sources found on the internet. The source Ben had used for his comparison was taken out of context from a dinosaur documentary from 1985, and an edited video clip that had the mysterious sound in it. But the only problem was that a lot of people didn't know where the sound had originated from, which led the Reddit r/videos to try and discover the source of the sound. Going back to what I had said earlier, the clip that Ben had used was taken out of context and edited from a 1985 dinosaur documentary. The documentary itself can be found on YouTube and is hosted by Christopher Reeve, with special stop-motion effects by visual effects designer Phil Tippett. The clip itself not only features a scene from the 1985 dinosaur documentary, but also a film that Phil Tippett had directed in 1985 called Prehistoric Beast. The film features a ceratopsian dinosaur getting ambushed by a Tyrannosaurus Rex in a redwood forest. The film itself features no spoken dialogue, and is told mostly through visual storytelling and sound effects. Of course, an important thing that needs to be taken into consideration is that the individualized clip doesn't feature the same sound effects from the dinosaur documentary or the film, begging the question, just where does that mysterious sound effect come from, and where did the individual clip come from? Well, after some digging on the internet, I actually managed to find the location of that clip, and it actually may be more surprising than you think. When going back to the Reddit r/videos, there's two important links on the site that actually yield some significance to the case as to where the sound effect and clip come from. There are two important links on the site that help with the investigation of the mysterious clip. The first link is to the original dinosaur documentary with the unedited footage. And then the second link is to a YouTube channel called Para Breakdown, where a man had been informed by another YouTuber, RaptorDaptor47, that he had discovered the mysterious clip under something called Witness Dinosaur.
Hey, remember that Shroom Hunter video with the scream in it? Well, I got a message from my friend John who said, "Hey, remember your video from a couple of days ago with the Shroom Hunter and the scream in it? Well, maybe you should check your comments because I think there is someone there who has the answer to it." So I went to the comments and saw one by RaptorDaptor47 who said, "Hey, remember your video from yesterday with the Shroom Hunter and scream in it? Well, maybe you should check out a video called Witness Dinosaur." So I did. Here is a short clip with a scream in it from the video.
Of course, digging deeper on the internet to find the individualized clip, I managed to stumble across something that I hadn't seen in a very long time, with that being Eyewitness Dinosaur. Of course, for those of you that don't know, Eyewitness was a series of kids' educational VHS tapes that were released by the BBC and available in school classes and libraries. I personally used to watch these VHSs when I was a little kid, and they're very much a source of early 2000s nostalgia. But of course, Eyewitness Dinosaur features the exact clip from the 1985 dinosaur documentary and Phil Tippett's film that has the edited clip of the sound effect. And so now you're probably wondering, where exactly does the mysterious sound come from? And aren't we stuck at a dead end? We've discovered the mysterious clip, and we know the dinosaur documentary and the film that it comes from. But as for that mushroom video itself, where exactly does that mysterious and scary sound effect come from? Well, without further ado, I want to reveal to you, the audience, that I have discovered the origin of that sound effect. And I'm going to relay to you my story as to how I discovered it. Of course, to start off with the origin of the mysterious sound effect, I need to go back to at least a month or so ago in April of 2024 when I went with my mom to a thrift store where I was looking for sound effects CDs. The reason I was looking for sound effects CDs at that time was because I've been making a sound effects library for my filmmaking and YouTube channel. Of course, I discovered a CD called Scary Sounds. The CD itself comes in a purple case with orange lettering, and the CD has individual sound effects as well as orchestrations related to the Halloween season. The CD itself was sold at Walmart at aisle 18 for $2.83, and it was originally released by PMG Halloween. Of course, not long after purchasing the CD and getting home, I went on eBay to try and discover if the wrong CD was in the right case. And lo and behold, the wrong CD was put in the case, but you'd be surprised to find that I managed to find the correct CD not long afterward at another excursion. Going forward a few weeks later, I managed to find the correct CD for my case at an indoor yard sale at my university where I went with my mom and my little cousin. When we went in, there was a plethora of DVDs and boxes of CDs all over the place, in addition to a large assortment of books. When I had started shopping, I had told my little cousin to start looking for sound effects CDs, because that was something that I was into. Of course, looking over the CDs, I didn't manage to find the correct one at first, but I did manage to find several other CDs that I was looking for. But lo and behold, towards the end of my trip, I managed to look over the CDs once again, and I found a mysterious CD case with green packaging that said Scary Sounds on it. And that CD just so happened to have the correct disc I was looking for. The disc that contains the mysterious sound effect from the strange mushroom video. And so I wanted to show this off to you guys. This is the original CD that I bought with the purple packaging and the orange lettering. It says Scary Sounds, 74 minutes of scary sound effects, 70 haunting sounds, and 16 spooky orchestrations. Here on the back of the CD, you can see that it says PMG Halloween. Of course, this, it tried to focus, but yeah, you can see it has the PMG Halloween logo there on the back. This CD, I don't think you can see it there. It was originally released in 2003. There's the tag up at the top that says $2.83. It was sold in Department 18 at Walmart. And yeah, so I bought this CD, like I said, around like April of this year. And when you open up the CD case, you can see that it's got this purple CD in it. This is the wrong CD. The correct CD is this second one that I bought in this green package, Scary Sounds. It has the exact same information on it, the same $2.83 tag on it, of course, Department 18 at Walmart. And then you open this CD up. This is the correct CD for this other case. And this other CD just so happens to have the sound effect from that strange mushroom video that I was talking about. And that's just to let you guys know. Upon combing through the CD and going through the various sound effects, I reluctantly managed to discover the origin of the mysterious sound effect. The same one that was used in Strange Sound while mushroom hunting that has captivated the internet for all these years. A sound that has captivated Bigfoot enthusiasts and has stumped even people like Ben Goetzman, who is a Purdue graduate. The sound effect itself is individualized with no extra bells and whistles, but I really don't know the exact origin of how the sound was made. I would say in my personal opinion that the sound effect is vintage in nature, but without further ado, I'm going to let you listen to the original unedited sound effect taken directly from the CD for your enjoyment. Here you go. And with that being said, my name is Clayton, bringing you new content whenever possible. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.